I'm cooking the food of who I am. It's a true makeup of my DNA, and my mom is Puerto Rican, West Indian, my dad's African American. I was able to cook in West Africa and Ghana, and I'm able to bring all those things together, and that's what I'm expressing on the plate. So today we're making citrus marinated bass with West African fonio with a little bit of okra, tomatoes, and basil. For this dish, it's all in the details. The jerk seasoning is from my great aunt's recipe that I decided that it needed citrus, but it's truly the ingredients that were from her household that we grew up on and backyard barbecues. But then fonio is an ancient West African grain that I had all the time when I was in Ghana, that you find from Senegal. So it's really like connecting everybody through, I would say, my experiences or my travels on the plate, but it's very relatable. So like fonio is very similar to couscous or millet. And then you have tomato, okra, and all these ingredients that are super seasonal. Making the fonio on the induction cooktop was really great. I'm able to maintain a quality temperature because the flat top is recognizing where the pan is. So it's only focusing on that region. Yeah, my great aunt made the jerk marinade. So when you're starting to cook the food of who you are, you start to go back to your relatives and be like, oh my God, like I remembered this jerk recipe. We're tasting this as a kid. Then you call your grandfather and your grandfather's like, well, you need to call my sister. Maybe she'll pick up the phone because she's 98 years old, or maybe she won't. And then she's like, don't worry, come to my house in Queens and you can get the recipe. I don't know where it is, but I'll give you some of the ingredients and then you can work it out from there. But just talking to her and going through that moment kind of brought back these childhood memories of having jerk marinade or jerk seasoning. That's cool, it's like a little hole here in the top. Oh, so once you're done blending everything, take your fish, score the skin, put it in a deep pan, add your marinade on top of your fish, and then place it back into the fridge. I have twins, a boy and a girl. After a long day of cooking, I hope when I get home they're asleep. But they are the first thing I do wake up to in the mornings. I scroll through my phone through the day to watch videos that I've taken of them, or to look at pictures, just to kind of stay in tune with their progression or growth. It was a recipe developed in the restaurant. It was one of the most popular dishes while there. And then it was basically, well, how can I take this dish and so somebody can eat it at home? You can do anything with that marinade and still give you that jerky flavor. So I think this is like a show-off moment for you with your friends or your family, because most of them probably never had fonio before, so you're introducing them to something new. You can cook a big pot of fonio, throw it in an amazing platter, put all the fish on top, and people can eat it family style. Let's dig in here. I know you're thinking jerk and you're thinking spicy, but no, this isn't spicy. And then the beautiful fluffiness of the fonio with the okra and the tomato and the basil is just perfect for this season. It truly gets no better than this.